Let me show you how I did this particular event flyer using my smartphone on Canva. So the first thing I did was to get my size, and the amazing thing I love about Canva is the fact that I can be on one particular design page and have different sizes. Okay, so as you can see here, this particular design is having a different size. This one is having a different size as well. So let me show you how to get started. So this particular size is 2000 by 2200. So I just add a new page, and this is what I have. So I go to my upload. I'm going to select a background. So this is the background I used here, and I click on these three dots. I'm going to scroll down and say replace background, so it's going to fill the entire background. Next thing is to go to elements. I'm going to bring in this particular rectangle or square. Then I change the color to white. Let's give it a white color, and I'm going to drag it to somewhere here like this. So drag it to the end as well. Bring it also, drag the end side and drag here a little bit. So I'm going to measure it and make sure that everything is in the middle. Okay, so this is it. So when I'm done with this, the next thing I did was to duplicate or come here, click on the shape itself and click on corners. I'm going to remove the corners. I don't want the edge to be curved, so I take off the curve. Now this is done. So the next thing I did was to duplicate this particular shape, and I'm going to drag this down. Let's give it a color of yellow. So I give it this yellow you're seeing here. So I'm going to duplicate it again. I'll zoom in. So all these settings I'm doing, they are very important so that it helps me to, when I start adding pictures or typing, none of them will be behind these things. You get, so that's the essence of doing all these settings down. So I give this color red instead of the yellow. I give it red, and I'm going to adjust it a little bit, somewhere like this. All right, so that's how I got this. So now let's move on to start adding our details. So first thing first, I want to type my write up, growing your business with artificial intelligence. I go to my text as usual. I'm going to add, so say grow your business. So here I'm going to align to the left hand side, and I'm going to change my font to Monsterrat. We're going to be using the light mode, so click on Monsterrat. You can click on this icon you're seeing here. So I'm going to select it to be on medium, or even put it on regular if possible. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to reduce the size here. So I come here, I'm going to put it somewhere here. Then go to format and let's use capital letters. Okay, so this is grow your business. So I think something is still missing. So grow your business with, okay, so I think we've gotten the full write-up. Okay, so I think this is growing your business. Yeah, exactly. Growing your business with, so come to format, this advanced here, and then we're going to adjust the light spacing a little bit. So let's give it the color of green. I think that's what I used there. So I use this particular green you're seeing here. So let's bring it somewhere here. We're going to reduce the size, then come here and type artificial intelligence. Okay, so this artificial intelligence now is going to come in form of bold. So we can also go back to font, click on Monsterrat, and we can now change it to either extra bold or extra bold. That's the black version. So I'm going to increase the size and drag it somewhere here. So remember, if you want to gain full control of your Canva, you can always zoom in. Okay, that's what I do most of the times. So if you want to learn how to design like a professional using Canva, you should consider joining my Canva to Profit Academy, which is a community of designers who use Canva. You get to learn more of designs like this, all right? So I've done this now. The next thing I want to do is to bring in my QR code. So I go to elements and I search for QR code, and you can get something like this. So I'm going to reduce the size and drag it somewhere here. Just make sure that everything is following a certain direction. So this is it. So I can reduce the size a little bit to somewhere like this. Okay, this is done. So now next thing I want to do is to bring in a shape. So I'm just going to click on this particular shape to save my time instead of going to go to elements and bring in a shape again. So this is this particular shape, and we're going to give it a color of black. So this is black. So I'm going to make sure that everything is well aligned. Okay, so this is this. I'm going to now duplicate my text and then type scan to register. So we're going to reduce the size of this so that everything can stretch. So go to format, you're going to centralize this, and you're going to give it a color of white instead of green so that it will be visible. Okay, so when you join my Canva to Profit Academy, you're going to have access to a book, an ebook that will direct you not just how to design, but also how to understand color psychology, how to understand the way you place your write-ups and everything, because all these things have a role to play in giving your design that premium look. So I have added that. I'm zooming out now. So when you're done with that, the next thing is this particular small write-up you're seeing under here, bridging the gap between modern day business and tools for productivity. So to save my time, I'm just going to click on it and click on edit. So I could select everything here, select all and copy. Okay, so let's go to our new design now. I'm going to just duplicate this now and then just paste it. So when I'm done pasting, I'm going to head over to format, remove capital letters, make it bold. All right, so reduce the size, give it a color of black, and then I'm going to stretch it like this. Okay, so and then I placed it on italics. That's what I did there. Okay, so this is done. So now let's start adding our pictures. That's the pictures of the speakers and the host and all of that. So the first person I want to add is to go to my upload. I already have their pictures here before now. Okay, these are random pictures I picked from Pinterest. So in case you're wondering how I got most of these pictures, just go to Pinterest, search for male and female, that's female individuals who are dressed in suits, okay, corporate attires, and then you see a lot of them. You can just download as many as you want, use them for your design practice. Okay, so right here, I'm just going to look for this man here. This is the man. I'm going to remove my background using my remove background feature that is here on Canva, and then we're going to increase the size a little bit. Okay, so this is for him. Now we're going to put his name as well to make things faster. So here, his name is Tolu Fred. Okay, I'm going to give it a color of white. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is to put his position. What is he? So he's the convener of this particular event. So I'm just going to stretch it and then give it a color of yellow. So reduce the size and place it underneath the name. Okay, so you do that correctly and then you're good to go. So this particular Tolu and Fred, you can actually adjust the line spacing a little bit. Okay, so you see, that's how to achieve this aspect. So the next thing now, we need to start adding the speakers, their title, the venue date, and the time. Okay, so I'm heading over to my upload and let's bring the first person, which happened to be this particular handsome man you're seeing now. So I come here and I bring this picture here. I go to upload again and I bring the second person, which is this lady here. So for you to get accurate measurement, like you want everything to be on the same measurement, what you need to do is to zoom in and then adjust accordingly. Can you see now? So that's one of the things I love about Canva. You can easily get your exact measurement without doing so much. Okay, so I'm going to move this way because I want everything to be aligned to a certain side. Okay, so I go to upload again. So there are remaining two speakers. This is one of them. And we're going to also bring her somewhere here. But just in a way that there'll be a space where we can write their names and other things. Okay. So this is for this. I can bring it down a little bit. Okay. So let's bring in the last speaker, which is a man. I think is this person. So remember I said these pictures are gotten from Pinterest. They are not real speakers. This particular design you're seeing is not a real event. It's just for design purpose, okay? To teach the people in my academy how to do designs. So right here, I'm also going to reduce the size and make sure that it's having the same alignment, okay? So this is it. Okay, so we have this right now. So the next thing is to start putting in their names to make the work faster. I just come back here and I'm going to duplicate one of these ones to make my work easy. So come here, let's just select multiple. I want to group them. So a group so that I can move them at the same time so that this video will not be so long. So select here, go to multiple. I select multiple, select this title, I group it as well, and I do the same for the rest persons. So select group, select here, select multiple again, and you group it. Okay, so I'm going to show you when I'm about to put in the date how to have one part of the text to be light and the other part of the text to be bold. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so come here now. I'm going to select multiple again. So let's zoom in. You see the way I'm picking all of them? I want to be able to duplicate them and move them to this particular page to make the work faster. So you see how I did it? That's how it's done. Okay, so I come here now and start arranging the names. So remember I said I'm going to show you how to make some part of the text to be bold and some other parts to be normal size. I'll show you how to do that here on Canva. So I'm adjusting it now. Okay. So you see now that we've gotten this. So next thing I want to do is to preferably increase the size of the picture. So it seems the size of the pictures that we used are not really so big compared to the first one I did. So I'm selecting all the pictures now. Select multiple, select text, select this. So I'm going to increase the size a little bit. Okay, so I think the size is perfect. So that way I can now adjust the names a little bit and then being able to space them, bring the pictures up. So select multiple again, select this one, and then I move it up. So you see now, okay, so I have moved it. Come here and I also move this one as well. So we'll have this already. So the next thing I did was to add my date of the event. So I duplicate this, I bring it somewhere here. I'm going to change the color to black, and I'm going to take out the bold so that I can show you that stuff I said I was going to show you. So here we're going to type the date is Saturday 25th June 2026, and we're going to put our time, which is 9 a.m. Okay, and then we're going to straighten it also. So now let's zoom in, and so now I've typed everything right. So I'm going to select only the 25th and bold it. Okay, just the 25th, not everything. The 25th, the 25th and the June. And then I'm going to also select this particular one here, this 9 a.m., and then make it bold as well. It's my choice though. If you don't want to do that, you can as well still leave it, all right? Okay, so let me just leave that. Now the next thing I did was to duplicate this to type my date and time. So I'm going to type date, and then this is time. Okay, so now we want to reduce the size because it appears to be too big. So reduce the size by dragging it in and then push it this way so it remains very small. Can you see now? And you have to make sure that everything is aligned to the same place. Okay, so this is how I achieved this. Now the next thing I did was to add my venue. Okay, so for my venue, let's reduce this size a little bit. So let me see. Okay, for my venue, I just duplicate this and I type the venue address there. Okay, so let's go to the main design so we can copy the address. You can see now I could just select all, copy. So let's go to the main our new design now. So I come here and I paste it. So you can see now it's been pasted. So I'm going to go to font and just change it from the regular to either medium or semi bold, okay, whichever the case may be. So that's how I got this. Now the next thing I want to do is to add my location icon, which is very, very important. So I go to elements and I'm going to add location. So come here, just search for location and you get this particular one. So there's so many of them out there, so but this is the one I prefer for this particular design. So I'm reducing the size so it can fit, because I want everything to be aligned to where this particular picture is starting from. Okay, zoom in again, and this is it. So that's how I was able to achieve this. Now the next thing I did, what I did next that was is not here yet, is that confirm speaker. So let me show you how to achieve something like that. So I'm just going to duplicate any text, this one here, and I'm going to type confirmed speakers. Okay, so I will click on the confirm speakers again, and then I'm going to change the font a little bit from the regular to, let's say, medium, that's semi bold. Then I'm going to apply transparency to it. I don't want it to be so visible. And then I'm going to rotate it. I'll rotate it by clicking on it, rotate it like this to be 90-degree. Make sure it's 90-degree. Okay, so then drag it somewhere here, and then go to format. We're going to centralize it, okay, which I already did. And I'm going to head over to advanced, and then I'm going to apply letter spacing to it. So you see how stretched it is. So when I drag it like this, you will see that it is having a lot of space. So I could just drag it a little bit so that it will not be so close to the speakers. Okay, so this is how I was able to design this using my smartphone. So if you got value from this video, do not forget to subscribe and also join my Canva to Profit community for just 3,999 naira, where you get to learn how to design more sophisticated designs like this ones. See you in my next video. Bye for now.